There are people who walk into a room and own it, without raising their voice, without trying to impress anyone. They never do what everyone else does. And psychology says that's exactly why they win. Here are 5 things socially intelligent people never do, and why you've probably been doing all of them. Number 1, they never react immediately. When someone insults them, challenges them, or tries to provoke them, they pause. Not because they're weak, because their prefrontal cortex overrides the emotional impulse before it reaches their mouth. Studies in cognitive psychology call this emotional regulation, and it's the single biggest predictor of social success. The person who reacts last controls the room. Number 2, they never explain themselves to people who've already decided. Socially intelligent people recognize a closed mind within seconds. They read micro-expressions, vocal tone, and body posture, and when the signals say, "This person isn't listening," they stop talking. It's not arrogance. It's psychological efficiency. Explaining yourself to someone committed to misunderstanding you is the fastest way to lose your power. Number 3, they never try to be the smartest person in the conversation. Here's what most people miss. True social intelligence isn't about showing intelligence. It's about making the other person feel heard. Research from Harvard found that people who ask follow-up questions are rated significantly more likable and more competent, even when they share less information. Socially intelligent people weaponize curiosity. They let others talk and quietly collect everything they need. Number 4, they never gossip about people who aren't present. Not for moral reasons, for strategic ones. Psychology calls it spontaneous trait transference. When you describe someone as untrustworthy, the listener's brain unconsciously attaches that trait to you. Every word you say about others rewires how people perceive you. Socially intelligent people know this. That's why they only speak about others the way they'd want to be spoken about. Not out of kindness, but out of calculated self-preservation. Number 5, they never chase validation. They don't over-laugh at jokes that aren't funny. They don't agree just to be liked. They don't perform. And paradoxically, that's what makes people gravitate toward them. Psychologists call it the scarcity principle. What's less available becomes more desirable. When you stop seeking approval, you become the person everyone else is trying to get approval from. That's the darkened version of social intelligence. 5 behaviors. 5 invisible boundaries. The most socially powerful people don't do more, they do less. And the people around them never even realize they're being read, measured, and strategically handled. Which of these do you recognize in someone you know? Or in yourself? Dark Mind Files. Subscribe for more.